Hello and welcome to the Social Speak Network podcast. I'm Caitlin McDonald and I'm one of the founders over here at Social Speak. In today's video and podcast, we're going to be talking about how patients find and select healthcare providers and how to use it for your advantage. So not too long ago, patients relied on word-of-mouth referrals from family and friends when looking for a healthcare provider. Others would browse through the yellow pages or find a hospital or practice closer to their location. Perhaps they'd even ask their physician, as they still do today, which other specialist they should be seeing. Today, however, the internet has become a major force in patient decision-making. With volumes of information available online, it's empowered prospective patients to find the care that they need in the moments that matter most. Patients no longer have to rely on their gut instinct, guesswork, or friends' advice. If you want to reach new patients, then you need to know how patients are looking for providers online. Use this to your advantage to convert those searching prospects into patients. So the first place that patients are using online is social media. More than 3.5 billion people are using social media. 45% of them use it to research products, services, and even healthcare providers. Although word of mouth still ranks highly as a method for finding healthcare providers, social media largely contributes to how patients choose one. Many prospective patients, millennials in particular, are apt to solicit input through social media. They put a lot of trust in unbiased opinions and recommendations from other patients. So according to a PwC Health Research Institute report, 41% of patients said that social media content actually impacted their choice of physician or hospital. So always bring value to your patients and give them a reason to follow you. This is one of the best ways to establish a trustworthy reputation for your medical practice on social media. It can be as simple as giving tips on how to stay healthy, reminding patients of essential vaccinations, or sharing information about current illnesses. The next place to go to get patients is Google. The internet is a fantastic source for medical information. When patients do not feel well, they don't usually think about scheduling an appointment with their doctor, as they probably should, but rather they go and consult Dr. Google first and research their symptoms to learn more about their potential conditions. Once they have a good understanding of that potential condition, that's the time that they search for a medical practitioner. They would use keywords in searches such as cardiologist near me, or cardiologist in Miami. You want to make sure that you rank well on Google for these keywords. That means your name must land on the first page of Google search results. Otherwise, prospective patients won't find you. So use SEO to rank higher on Google and start by dominating long-term keywords. Now, these keywords we visualize as creating a foundation for your website, showing Google that you have content related to those long-term searches. As you start getting traction with those long-term searches, you can then start to compete over the shorter searches such as cardiologist, for example. However, when you're first getting started, other players most likely will show up above you for some of those more desirable keywords. So build the foundation first, as we've talked about, and then target the higher quality or higher competition ones after that. So research keywords that are relevant to your practice and create content based on that keyword. Long tail keywords, as we just mentioned, are easier to rank for because the competition is lower. So that means it will take less time and less money to rank compared to the bigger popular ones. Now, patients and prospective patients online also read online reviews. A majority of patients will conduct online research even after receiving a recommendation or referral from their physician. They want to know what being your patient is like before scheduling an appointment. 88% of patients use online reviews as a step towards finding a new doctor. This helps new patients make a more informed decision about who they choose. They will quickly eliminate providers with poor reviews. In the age of internet, your reputation is whatever Google says it is. If a prospective patient does not find reviews online, they think twice about making an appointment with you. As a healthcare provider, you want to have positive online brand reputation that earns the trust of patients. So a great way to improve your reputation is to list your practice on doctor review sites such as ZocDoc, WebMD, RateMDs, Vitals, and HealthGrades. These sites can help you improve your reputation, generate new patient leads, and gain trust. The more positive reviews will ensure that you are listed ahead of competitors in search results that will drive traffic to your website. Now, the next item is that convenience is a key factor when selecting a new doctor. In fact, according to HealthGrades data, location is a highly significant consideration when a patient chooses a doctor or a hospital. A majority of them prefer physicians and healthcare providers within their area that can assist with their needs. Building your local search presence will help you gain a significant step over competition. Google My Business is a great tool that can do wonders for your local SEO. It puts your business on the map so potential patients can find you. It's also a good idea to optimize your website for local search. To boost your local SEO, make sure you include your location and keyword phrases across your website. Instead of using keywords like dentist, use dentist in Phoenix, for example. So these are just some of the many ways that patients find and select healthcare providers and how to then use it for your advantage as you are pursuing digital marketing to grow your practice and reach more prospects. If you have any questions, our team manages this for healthcare clinics across the nation. We are your go-to providers in making sure that prospects and patients find you online and are booking that initial consultation. We help you establish trust through thoughtful and strategic social media posts. We help you continue to stay top of mind through newsletters, and we utilize advertising as a way to reach people right when they are searching for your business. So if you have any questions, please jump on over to our website, socialspeaknetwork.com, and click to schedule your free 30-minute consultation with our team. Again, my name's Caitlin McDonald. This is the Social Speak Network podcast. If you haven't already, please click subscribe so that you get notified of any new videos or podcast episodes that we have. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.